Hello everyone and welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to do a sweater manicure and I already applied some of the colors to save some time. So I use these colors from Royal House of Beauty and this blue color is called Amphitrite. So I applied this color on my thumb and pinky finger, but I'll be also doing some color blocking later. And the white color is called Branwen and I apply that in my ring finger. And I also encapsulate these colors with this clear dip powder called Crystal Crown. And for the rest of my nails, I'll be doing some color blocking and will be using the same colors. So I am going to use some tape to help me with the color blocking. So I am going to apply this in the middle part of my nail. So I'm going to make sure that it is in the middle because I'll be doing two colors, the blue and the white one. So I'm going to start first with the white color, which is the Branwen. I'm going to apply the dip base. So I actually forgot to apply clear dip powder as my base because I am wearing a peel base and I use a tape, so hopefully that tape won't come off when I try to remove that later. But make sure that when you are doing color blocking, you apply clear dip powder first before your color so that the tape won't get, or the peel base won't get disrupted underneath. So I'm just going to apply the white color and next would be the turquoise color. So now I am going to activate this color. I am going to do this because I forgot to apply the clear dip powder underneath, so I am afraid that when I remove the tape, all of this will come off. So I just want to harden everything first and then wish me luck. So I'm trying to remove the tape, and as you can see, it actually moved a little bit, it lifted a little bit, but at least the peel base is still intact even though it lifted a little bit. So I am just using this thin metal file to kinda straighten the line, and then using the other color, I'm going to apply this on the other half part of my nail. After applying the color, I am now going to clear encapsulate that color. I am just going to apply the clear on the blue part of my nail since I already activated the white one or the white part. So I'm just going to apply clear and then I'm going to activate my entire nail. So moving on to the middle finger, I am going to do another color blocking. So now I am applying the clear dip powder that I forgot to put a while ago. So yeah, I am going to apply this so that my peel base won't come off when I apply the tape. So I am just going to apply one full coat and that's it. I am going to apply the tape over this clear dip powder and then do the color blocking. So I'll start first with the color blue, and I'll be applying that on the sides or on the outside part of the nail, and in the middle I'll be applying the white color. So I am doing the pour over method instead of dipping my nail directly to the jar so that the tape won't come off. Then dust off all the excess powders, and then we'll be applying 2 more layers. I am just building up the color, and after this I'm going to apply the white color. So I am now going to remove the tape, and as you can see, the peel base underneath is secured because of the clear dip powder. So make sure that you don't forget applying that clear dip powder first. So now I am going to apply Branwen, which is the white dip powder, and I'm going to apply also 3 layers. After that, I am going to clear and encapsulate. So I just want to apply clear so that when I do filing and shaping, I won't file and remove the colors. And after applying clear dip powder, I am now going to activate. This is the step number 3. So this is going to harden the nails, and then after I did this, I am just going to file and shape off cam, and this is after I did that. So I know the pointer finger is a little bit crooked, but don't worry, since I'll be doing a sweater mani on top of that. So I'm going to start first with my ring finger, and for sweater mani, I'll be doing the gel method. So I am going to use this Royal House of Beauty gel base, and we'll be using the same dip powder that I used a while ago. And for the nail art brush, I'll be using this brush set also from the Royal House of Beauty. So I am going to choose the brush head, and I am going to use this like fine liner brush. So this brush set comes with 9 different brush attachments that you can use for your nail art, for preps, and also for builder gel application. So these are the 2 brushes that I'll be using. Both of these are the fine tips or the fine liner brushes. So first I am going to use this mixing plate, and we'll be dumping some of this base coat here. And after that, I am just going to draw the sweater pattern. So I'm going to start first with a straight line. I'm going to apply 2 straight lines first, and then I'm going to pour over the dip powder. So you don't want to cure it first in the lamp, you just want to draw the pattern and then pour the powder, and then that's the time you cure it. But don't dust it off first, make sure to cure it first in the lamp before you dust off any excess powders. So after curing, I'm just going to use this flashlight, LED flashlight, to flash cure everything and then dust off all the excess powders. So I am just going to do the other design and let you guys watch, and I will be back. So now I am going to change the brush attachment, and I'll be using the smaller one since I'll be painting a more intricate design. So basically it is just the same process. You just have to apply base coat first and then pour the dip powder and then cure it in the lamp. So I am just going to finish all the sweater mani design and I will be back. And this is after I did all the sweater mani design. So now I am going to apply gel matte top coat. So I'll be applying this top coat on those nails that I didn't do the sweater design. So I will leave the rest of my nails where I did the sweater design so that it will look 3D. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this matte top coat and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after making sure that everything is cured, I am just going to add some of this striping tape to add more accent to the nail. So since I cannot apply top coat in this nail where I apply the striping tape, usually I apply gel top coat on top of it, but you can actually apply like a super small amount of gel top coat in the side just to seal those striping tape. So yeah, after that I am now going to apply the cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts about this manicure in the comment box below. So I'll be putting all the products that I use in the description box, so make sure to check them out. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!